We've set the red fill and the yellow border, and we're going to colour the girl's pants in this little diagram, showing you how the closed off always function works. So we begin the line, follow along the diagram that we've hand drawn, around the curve with the fill taking place at the same time, up the leg and around to the end, and it closes off, and that's it. Now I've added another vector layer there because we're going to do the girl's arm, and in this case I'll use the close near option up the top. I'll use the Apple pencil. We'll go and set the colour. Now I've got skin tones set here, and I want the fill colour to be that one there, and I'll use the outline as well. I'll make that the same colour. Now you could leave it blank so you don't have an outline, but I prefer an outline because you can change it later. Now I'll start here and go around the sleeve, down the girl's arm. You'll notice there's no outline here because it's the same colour as the fill. Along the leg and up the arm, and you see it closed off there. Let me step back there. We're going for close near, remember. I'll do this again. We'll get right up to the top, and I'll take a bit more time near the end, and you can see the little double lines join up there. There it goes. Takes it to the end. Very neat. Just tap the X down there so that there's nothing selected, just in case you touch something. Now we're going to do the second arm, and because it's slightly behind the first one we've done, I'm going to change the skin tone ever so slightly to the second one there. And you can see it's just slightly darker. I'll leave the outline the same. We'll select the pencil tool, of course. Now what we've got here is close far this time. Now I'll start here with the girl, draw around there, go down the arm line, across the bottom, head back up towards the top of the arm. Now you'll see the link. There's the link just appeared, and you can leave your pen go there, and that's filled in. You can see it's a slightly darker tone than the right one. It gives it that 3D effect. Let's deselect everything. That's looking a bit better. Of course, you'd come back and tidy all this up later. Repeat the same process, only we're using a slightly more browner colour this time for the skin tone. We're going to use that one just there. Let's check that our layers are okay. Now we don't want to select that one, so we'll just unselect it, but we're in the right place. Now we've got a pencil tool. We're going to go right along the girl's leg. You can see she plays outside a lot, so her skin tone is going to be a lot browner. And this time we're using the close always option, so that when we get down to there and around there, you just noticed that the connecting rings joined up, and close always, and then that's closed. Let's deselect that. We're going to do the other leg while we're here. Now we want to put a slight light outer ring there, and we'll make that one point so that we can only just see it. That there, of course, is the smoothness, which is what we want. Now close always is still on. Let's go around the leg outline. You can see I've got the lighter shade for the outline there, and close always connected up. There we go. Now the arms look a bit pale there compared to the legs, but we can fix that anyway by going back and changing the colour. Disconnect, and the colouring you can see is starting to take shape. Now to show a little progress, we've stepped through close off, close near, close far, and close always. Probably when you're drawing with the pencil and just outlining, the best thing to use is close off, I would think, because if you have a look at the shoelaces, you don't want the fill to apply in those, so they're just straight lines and they close off. Same with around the socks, I've used close always, because close off leaves it open. So a variation of the options there really make your pencil a pleasure to use for sketching, for drawing and things like that. Now I'll just leave that there because I won't go any further at the moment. You can see how we're doing with the little cartoon character there, and it's looking very good.